What's up, you guys? Before we get into this video, one of the frogs had something was wrong with her legs. They stopped working yesterday, and we had to let her back go. She's probably dead, but it's sad. It's very sad, but it probably was from calcium problems. But so we learned our lesson for that. But today's video, my mom really likes plants, and today we'll be making her a little terrarium thing like this with plants and stuff. It's a candle holder, but it's real good. But first, the first step we gotta do is rinse it out. Okay, the second thing we're doing is adding our substrate and mixing it up together. We're gonna use a few different things. We rinse it all out, and so let's start mixing the substrate. So first we added some eco earth. Next we're gonna add some bark, some reptile bark. Okay, you guys. Now we soaked a little bit of this moss. I have no idea what it's called, but we had some left over. This is all stuff that we just had left over. But we'll start mixing now. Okay, guys, so what your substrate should look like now is this. Now what we have here are some rocks. First we'll add the substrate in, then start with the rocks and start having some fun. Okay, as you guys see, we added all the substrate in. We'll give it a rinse at the end. It's kind of messy, but now we'll start adding all of the plants, all the rocks, and all that fun stuff. What we'll start with, we have some Zoomed frog moss. We'll give this a soak, stick that in there, put it where we want it, and so this is the first things we'll be adding. Okay, we'll start adding the frog moss. We gave it a soak. First, I think maybe we're gonna time let this because it might take a while. Okay, you guys, I added the rocks. Moss. The second thing we'll be adding is called gold moss. This is what gold moss looks like. We will be adding some of this in. Okay, guys, it's done. if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.